In this video, I'll show you how to sell a token on Pancakeswap using Trust Wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone and make sure your wallet is unlocked. Check that you are using the correct network for the token you want to sell. Pancakeswap is commonly used on BNB Smart Chain, so you will usually need a small amount of BNB in your wallet to pay network fees. Next, open the official Pancakeswap website. The safest option is to use the browser inside Trust Wallet if it is available. If you are using a normal mobile browser, be very careful and double-check that you are on the real Pancakeswap website. Once Pancakeswap opens, tap Connect Wallet. If Trust Wallet appears, select it. If not, choose Wallet Connect, then approve the connection inside Trust Wallet. Now go to the Swap section. In the first token box, choose the token you want to sell. If you cannot find it by name, paste the official token contract address. This helps you avoid selecting a fake token with a similar name. In the second token box, choose what you want to receive, such as BNB, USDT, USDC, or another supported token. Enter the amount you want to sell. Before continuing, review the estimated amount, price impact, slippage tolerance, minimum received, and network fee. If the transaction fails, you may need to adjust slippage slightly, but avoid setting it too high unless you understand the risk. If this is your first time selling that token, tap Approve and confirm the approval in Trust Wallet. After approval is complete, tap Swap. Then confirm the transaction again in Trust Wallet. Wait for the blockchain to process the transaction. Once it is complete, the token you received should appear in your wallet. If it does not show automatically, add it manually using the contract address. Always remember that crypto prices can change quickly, and blockchain transactions usually cannot be reversed. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.